Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we're going to do a product review on this Pasta Zero by Nasoya. This is becoming like a little bit of a rage. You know, a lot of people are using it. So I wanted to try it. We were looking at pastas one day and for Weight Watchers, and this showed up with 0 points. So that's another plus, but we don't know how it's going to taste, so today we're going to try it. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, as you see here, I got some water starting to boil, or hopefully starting to boil. Not boiling yet, but it's going to get there. Here's our Pasta Zero. You can see it. You see, gluten-free, vegan, blah blah blah. On the back, it gives you more nutritional things. I'm not going to get into all that. I just want to know how it's going to taste. And for right now, it's a 0 point thing. It takes the place of pasta. They make a fettuccine noodle. This is regular pasta spaghetti. They make fettuccine noodles. Supposedly, they have an elbow noodle out, and they do make grains of like rice. Same thing. So I'll be trying some of those too. But for right now, I just want to see what all the hubbub is with this thing. They say when you first open the bag, it has a little bit of according to the bag, it says it's an earthy smell. I watched a couple videos and people say it smells like a little fishy smell. I don't know. We're going to find out. Penny's nervous, but we're going to try it anyway. So today, I got some homemade spaghetti sauce there. I got a little bit of spinach and one meatball cut up, so I'm going to put that in there. They say that once you if you follow the directions on the package, this stuff has a neutral flavor, so it'll absorb the flavors of whatever you cook it with. So we're going to see how that works out. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so without further ado, we're getting down to this. I'm going to cut this bag open. I'm going to give you guys a little smell. See, they're packed in liquid, if you can see that. Let me... It's got a little bit of an odor. It's not really offensive, but I don't know why they call it an earthy smell. I don't know what an earthy smell smells like. But to me, it doesn't, maybe it has a slight resemblance of a fishy smell. But anyway, they say to rinse it off a few minutes. And boy, these things are long. Look at this. Huh. I'm going to be cutting these up. So I'm going to rinse these for a few minutes and I'll give them a smell. They say the smell will go away. I'm rinsing it in cold water. Weird consistencies, like these things already came out of like the spaghetti's already cooked, you know. But in Japan, they've been using it, I think, for hundreds of years, and it only hit the United States about 10 years ago, maybe a little more. But yeah. So I'm just trying to rinse this out real good. I don't smell nothing now. Yeah, it still has a little bit when you get your nostrils right up into it. So my daughter Emma came. Maybe she'll make it for lunch. I don't know. But this is 2 servings, so, and if you read, I think regular spaghetti is even like 4 ounces or whatever. Hey, Emma, want to smell this?
Yeah.
Give it a whiff.
Fishy.
You say fishy, okay? I said it was like a slight...
It's not like if I cook fish fishy. It's just light fishy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to finish rinsing this out. I was watching one video and it said to rinse this for like 5 or 6 minutes, so. But I don't really think it's got a slight smell, but it's not offensive. But I'm not worried about the smell, you know, that much. Because if Penny likes it, then we're in. If Penny don't like it, we're out. So. But, you know, if it turns out good, I got some recipes I can make with this here, that's for sure. You can put a paper towel over that too.
I'm putting it in here.
Okay. All right, I think that's enough rinsing. Let's see.
Hi, Bobs.
Oh yeah, much better. Oh yeah. Okay, my water's starting to boil. So, hold on guys. Okay guys, so you can see I got my noodles in the pan here. And you're supposed to cook them for like cook them for 2 minutes. That's what we're going to do. And then after this, I'm just following the directions that's on the package. That's all I'm doing. No shortcuts because I don't know how these are going to turn out. So I'm following the directions as they are. So let that cook for a couple minutes. I got my timer on my Miss Alexa. And we'll be back. Okay, as you can hear my alarm, that's 2 minutes. It's been cooking. So we're going to dump this. Alexa, shut off the alarm or timer. Okay, so let me put this here in a strain and strain this out. Boy, that's hot. Okay. Okay, so now we strain this out. Now what you got to do, we're going to dry the noodles out by putting them in a pan. But before we go any further, I'm going to get my taste tester over here since Miss Penny's back working yet. And we're going to try give her one little noodle. These are real long. So.
Holy cow. Holy cow.
I told you they're long. I'm going to cut them in with something here in a minute. And I'm going to try me one. I told you it was
in
long.
your pocket.
I think it tastes pretty good.
Where did you get those? I
No
want
flavor.
some.
Got them at Wal-Mart.
But they have a spaghetti texture.
They do, but it's...
But think about it. Okay, if you made sauce and you put it on.
Oh, that's what we're going to do. The reason for that is, see, this has like... It didn't taste like anything.
No, but it had the spaghetti texture.
Texture, yeah.
So once you put sauce on spaghetti, you don't taste the actual noodles.
Well, yeah, really. That's kind of true. But this is a little different. But anyway.
No, I like it.
I like it too.
It's a yes from me.
We're going to have to get your mama in here and let her taste test it. See how she is with this. No, you know what? I'm going to do this here. Okay, guys, so, you got my daughter and me both saying the same thing. There's all the odor, whatever it was, that wasn't too bad, is gone. Now, they say a little hint, when you're cooking these, when you hear a little squeaky noise, I don't know how that comes out, but as long as it's steaming, that means it's still liquid. They want they get it till it's dry. So, but I'm trying to see if I can hear a squeaky noise. I know, shut up. Okay. Okay, what I want to do though is really try to chop some of these up a little bit. I can't use that. Too flexible. I didn't want to use this in my...
Why don't you take scissors and cut it?
Huh? Yeah, I know, but I don't pick it up now.
Pick it up with the tongs and cut it.
Yeah. You might have a point there. I might try that again. Yeah. Well, let's just try it like I'm saying. I'm going to do it this way. Just take the scissor and put it in and go, whoop. Yeah.
Work smarter, not harder.
That's right. That's what I'm doing. Listen to my daughter. I'll be good. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it does have a little squeaky noise to it right quick. Okay, so now Take this back and give it to your mother. Tell her to try one of these. Here.
You got this at Walmart?
That's hot. Yeah. Okay, so that's done.
Mom, open your mouth. I got a long noodle for you.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my little bit of baby spinach in here. I will throw it all in there. It's good for you. It'd be good for what ails you. But I'll tell you right now, I like this. This can be something new, something old, something whatever. It's going to be good for you and me both, huh? Okay, so now we're going to put some of my homemade sauce. If you guys been watching my video, okay, just put some of that sauce on there.
Marjorie said there's no taste.
That's not supposed to be no taste. Not until now. Wait till we're done with this. We'll put a little sauce on there. Woo-hoo.
There's carbs in here.
What's that?
There's carbs in here.
Yes, but they say there's with the fiber thing that negates some of the actual carb because it's a fiber.
Right.
So you want to end up like 1 or 2 net carbs or something like that.
Yeah.
Per serving. So okay, so now we're gonna. And I didn't know my daughter was coming over, so I'm gonna let her do the taste test today because we are done here pretty much. And as you can see, this thing took on the color of the sauce. It smells delicious. So we're going to let Emma be the taste tester. And then we'll get my wife to taste it when she's ready. Okay. So I'm going to put a couple meatballs in here. Whoop. Toss those around a little. No, these are my turkey meatballs I made for you guys a couple days back. We're almost done eating them. There was 28 of them that I got out of that 2 pounds. So, all right. So we're going to ask Miss Emma, you ready to eat there, Em? You want some food? Uh-huh. She's stuffing her face with whatever she brought with her.
Veggies.
That's okay, veggies. You got some veggies in here. I got some spinach mixed in this dish over here. So, like I said, it's not a lot of noodles, but, you know, it does taste like spaghetti to me. Like a regular noodle. Noodle. I know. I'm so weird, I know. Okay, guys, I'm going to dish a little of this up for my daughter, turn the heat off.
What are these called, Daddy?
Pasta Zero. Short name for it, but the other name is Nasoya. They're shirataki noodles, what they are. Good. You can't have no more than that. That's
Oh, no, I want 228 back.
okay. So here we are. Let me take this off the heat. I don't want nothing burning. Now I'll save the rest of this for Miss Penny. Okay, guys, be right back. Okay, guys, there's the dish. So I'm going to give that to my daughter right quick, and she'll give you guys her review. Boom.
All right, I'm going to taste my dad's lunch that he made for me. Oh, gosh, Dad, these are...
I told you they're still big, ain't they?
Yeah.
We even cut those.
It's good.
I need to have the texture. How's the texture of the noodle, though? That's what we're tasting.
It's a spaghetti texture.
Okay, so...
Like, if I didn't know that this wasn't spaghetti, we'd be good.
Okay, that's what
It's
we want
great.
to hear. So everybody heard that review. It gives you a neutral view on this because that way it's not just me. She popped in for her lunch break. So give her some of these, let her try it, and she gives you her review. Also, there's this package here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me bring it up here. Yeah. She likes this one better. I ordered two of the ones she's eating now, but then I ordered one of these to taste test. She says it's got less carbs in this one. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the review. This is Mr. Dan saying give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Share with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And remember, stay hungry, my friends. And when you are, come back and we'll give you another delicious dish just like that. This is Mr. Dan saying, see you in the next video. Stay safe. Whoop.